10 years later.
Mm.
It is complicated to talk about what will happen later because we live today. We know what happened yesterday, but nobody know what will happen tomorrow, 3 days later, 10 years later. Nobody knows, but we can plan it. Just like when one person want to plant a tree, it happened. You can plant the tree, and you will know that you think that that tree will be grow up and it can produce something. Let's say you plant a mango tree. It is impossible. The mango tree become it can produce strawberry, right? So it is you can plan your future by now. Don't do what you don't want. If you do something that you want, you have to do it now. Let's say for now, you want to be a teacher. So how? So you can go to FKIP, Teacher Training and Education Faculty. If you want to be engineer, go to engineering faculty. Don't go to FKIP. Don't go to economic faculty. You see? So you can plan your future. Sometimes we already plan our future, but we can change it. Let's say for one person, he go to economic faculty, but it is nothing possible for him to be someone else. Let's say he become in the future his business is not based on economic, but he can become how to say the one who make the building, contractor, consultant, contractor. So he become that he can get that job. How? You know, in our life, in our place, there is one thing that can change everything. If you have family, or if you have relationship, or if you have money, you know someone else, you can be anything you want. Let's say, oh, I am I graduated from doctor faculty. So I supposed to be a doctor, right? So if you don't want to be a doctor, sometimes it's okay. But usually people just start to what they done before. Let's say someone who go to medical faculty, it is start that he have to be a doctor. If he cannot be a doctor, he fail. Actually, life is not like that. We can plan everything, but the one who decide is the God, right? So, just be positive. If you fail in doing something, it's okay, because people are not perfect. So when they fail, when they fall, they can get up. When they fall, they can get up. So just be positive. Just think positively. In your future, you will get a better future. Let's say if you fail in one business, you can start another business. And then if you fail in the second business, you can start another business. If you have the will, you can get the will. If you have the will, you can get the will. That is for next 10 years, I would like to be a businessman. So, thank you.
Okay.
Alright, any question?
Me.
For